Very good morning, friends. This is George. My call sign is Victoria United number 3 Sierra Quebec Yankees. And weather is very cold today in Calcutta. And today you can see that the drone model is DJI Phantom 4 Pro. And I will show you today that how you can fly this aircraft very easily. I'm not making a technical review about this product, but I will show you that how easily you can fly your aircraft and can capture so many good visuals. The one thing I would like to add about the DJI Phantom 4 Pro is that the device is highly intelligent. In the next visual, the operator is Mr. Kapustock. He will show you that how this device will fly in the sky.